Hey everybody, it's Frankie-Lou. I'm coming to you today from the Greenhouse in the Sky, where we're doing some experiments to see where we can produce the most amount of fruit from our plants. And one of the wonderful plants that we're doing this with is our spaghetti squashes. We have two here in this greenhouse that are doing very well. We like to call this one Seymour, and as you can see, Seymour has really taken off and is going everywhere, which is wonderful. But what's the most important thing is how much they produce. So what we're doing is every time we pull one of these fruiting bodies off of Seymour and his competitor Sutherland over at the other end of the greenhouse, we weigh them, and just to see where the conditions are best. Right now we're kind of neck and neck. So this one is just about ready to pull. We know it isn't quite because I could still mark it. Well, I could this morning. I could still mark it with my thumb. I'm thinking we pulled this one. This was the first one we pulled off. There's a nice big baby there. This is 4.1 pounds, this one squash. I think that this is going to be a close, this will probably be around 4 pounds as well. So that sounds pretty good. We planted these plants on mid-May. And now we've already got about 8 pounds of squash off of Seymour. Okay, but if we come over here, Seymour took off right away. And so we were sure Seymour was going to be the winner. But now we notice that Sutherland seems to be definitely entering the competition, growing so much every day. And while Seymour produced the first fruit, I can barely even lift this one. Sutherland produced this one about 5 days later, and this is a 5-pounder. This is an even 5 pounds, and it now has a second body here. It's going to be ready to come soon. So we'll keep you posted. We're pretty excited. Everybody's doing really well. As you can see, they're really climbing to the sky. We are using vertical growing methods here, tying these things up as much as possible. We'll keep you posted on how it's doing. We're finding the vertical growing is obviously working very well for these guys, and it's helping us to keep the powdery mildew down quite a bit. Because it's allowing for better airflow, and when it is there, we're able to quickly remove it because it's more visible. So we'll let you know how it's going. Right now we're neck and neck, Seymour and Sutherland. We are recording all the fruit, and we'll have a grand tally at the end, and keep posted if you want to see more about our battle of the spaghetti squash. Make sure you take this chance to grow together today. Have a good one.